Welcome to Upstarburst. In this video, I will show you how to remove Google account from Android phone. Important thing to note here, Google account will be removed from phone only. It will not be deleted permanently. You will be able to use that Google account on other devices and you can add that account in phone again. So to do that, go to phone settings, scroll down, press accounts and backup option. Your phone may have accounts and sync option. In that case, press accounts and sync option. After that, select manage accounts. Your device may have Google option. If you have Google option, press that. I will select manage accounts. And here are all the accounts in this phone, including Facebook account, Google accounts, Samsung account, Twitter account. We want to remove Google account. So I'll tap Google account that I want to remove from here. Press remove account button. And that's it. Again, your phone may have different option here. So in case you pressed Google and you are looking at multiple Google accounts, select account that you want to remove. If you see more option here, press more option. Then select remove. And that Google account will be removed from the phone. But as I mentioned, Google account is still there. It will be just removed from the phone. You can safely add it again in any phone and use it later in case you need it again. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.